So with all of this change that we're experiencing in society now from a technology point of view, one of the most important things for us to consider is what is the type of society that we want in the future. When it comes to technology, when it comes to algorithms, when it comes to artificial intelligence, technology is completely neutral. Technology doesn't care whether it's used for good or whether it's used for evil. And so we find ourselves at the dawn of this knowledge age needing to really step back and think about the type of society that we want to design. And think of it in the same way that we may have designed a home or a city. First of all, we need that blueprint. We need to lay down those foundations. And if those foundations are right, then as you start to build the cities, you start to build the home, and you put that structure in place, you end up with something that resembles what the intention is. If we don't get those foundations right, and I think that's one of the real challenges for us right now in society, is that we haven't really worked out how we're collecting personal data, how we're using personal data, how we're using data to actually train algorithms. And if we haven't worked out this idea of personal agency, what it is to elevate humanity, how is it that we get better education outcomes, how is it that we are able to manage consumption, the environment, if we're not asking ourselves these questions, then it's very difficult for us to expect technology to have the answer. So if we're able to step back and think about these questions from the ethics point of view and from a design point of view, once we have that clarity, we can then turn that into code.